The Donut Mary Donut. Sarap ang surprise.
Brush, 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 3 times a day. Brush, 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 your teeth calories away. Brush, 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 3 times a day. Brush with Colgate. It's not fun to brush, 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 pero wakas sa hali. Brush, 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 at lalo matulog. Brush, 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 brush. Brush, 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 3 times a day. Brush with Colgate.
Number one brand recommended by dentists.
Number 1 ang Fiesta Spaghetti. Isabay mo pa ang sarap ng Fiesta Spaghetti sauce. Marami na at marami ang kaibili ng Fiesta. Hey!
Wala na bata.
Masama pakiramdam. Absent ulit. Kasi nga eh.
Kasi naman, health is wealth. At sa malaking tulong ang Bearbrand, mga 10 pesos lang katataso. Oh, yes, may good isogels na, may iron, zinc, at vitamin C pa. Papalakas ng sintesa.
Iba yun ha?
Iba na sa lahat, lalo na sa Bearbrand.
Tanda?
From Nestle.
Dahil healthy and smooth and skin,